Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you a very healthy way to clean tripe or shaki. Trust me when I say this, it is better for you to clean your tripe by yourself, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. The first thing you do is to heat up a large pot of water and bring it to a boil. While the water is heating up, it is very important to rinse the tripe multiple times because it is sandy. I didn't show this part because I felt it wasn't necessary, but that was a mistake. You should rinse it. If you don't rinse it, the sand is gonna be stuck to the shaki at the end of the day. You won't believe the amount of sand that came out of this. I should have shown you guys, but well, next time when you buy your tripe, you're gonna see it for yourself. And another important thing that you have to do is to peel off the fat that is attached to the tripe. If you don't do that, the tripe is gonna be very fatty and you're not gonna enjoy it. Just look at the amount of fat that came off this tripe. So when I'm done, I will just continue to rinse it to make sure there is no sand in the tripe and wait for the water to come to a boil. So if this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. Once the water comes to a boil, I'm gonna pour some on the tripe. You can dip the tripe in the hot water, whichever way you prefer. I'm just gonna let it soak in the hot water for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna bring it out and scrape off the outer surface. While the tripe is soaking, I'm gonna place a cotton board over the sink so that the water can drip into the sink instead of my table or any other surfaces. Then I'm gonna place the tripe on the board, spread it out, and with the back of the knife, I'm gonna scrape it off. You can also use the front of the knife. Be very careful so that you don't burn yourself. It is really very hot to handle. So let me use this opportunity to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. Don't forget to check out my website and follow me on other social media platforms. Thank you. Just in case you are not comfortable using the knife, you can use the iron sponge or stainless steel scrubber to remove it. In my own opinion, it is way easier and more comfortable to use. I know cleaning of tripe is not an easy job, but let me tell you why you should do it regardless. So in case you love tripe a lot and you rather buy it from the store than to clean it yourself, you should know how the store-bought tripe was cleaned. The first time I tasted tripe when I came to America, it tasted nothing like tripe. It was very white. I was wondering, how come this tripe is so white? Because I've never seen any tripe that white. So I cooked it, ate it, and I hated it because it tasted like nothing. The only thing that came to my mind was that it was cleaned with a chemical. That's why it has lost its smell and taste. I was so shocked to know that it was soaked in bleach. Yes, the same bleach you soak your clothes in. That's what they soak the tripe in, to get rid of the taste and the smell especially. So imagine you eating something that was soaked in bleach because you don't want to clean your tripe by yourself. So there is health concern already. Is that not a good reason to clean your tripe yourself? So once in a while, dip it back into the hot water and continue to scrape it off. Like I said before, cleaning of tripe is not moi, but it is worth it. So to further clean the tripe, I'm gonna add baking soda, massage it in, then add vinegar to deep clean it. The chemical reaction of the baking soda and vinegar is very effective in loosening and removing dirt. Using baking soda and vinegar is safe because we consume those things. But you don't have to use it if you don't want to. In case you are still watching the video and you like what you see, please subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. So I'm just gonna pour in some water and let it soak. So while the tripe is still soaking in the solution, I'm gonna come in with a paring knife to scrape off the parts that are not properly cleaned. As delicious as tripe is, if you grew up washing tripe, you know that it's a job nobody wants to do, but somebody has to do it if you want to enjoy the delicious tripe. So once you are satisfied with the cleaning, you can flip the other side, remove anything that does not belong there, rinse it off, and it is ready for your next delicious meal. So whenever I'm done cleaning the tripe, I like to place it on a surface so that I can see if it is perfectly clean. So I'm just gonna cut off the part that is properly cleaned and continue to clean the other part that is not. So to all tripe and shaki lovers, this is a very natural and traditional way to clean your tripe that is healthy and good for you. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.